sweetest ghost ever, born in comics, brought to life on screen, and now reborn in STL format, Casper. Casper can be 3D printed in one of 3 charming poses. The 3D artist has masterfully captured the ghost's kind and friendly expression.
Next vault. Lazarus.
Casper, floating above the Lazarus potion, can be brought to life with a gentle, magical glow, thanks to the clever design and support for LED illumination.